That is really weird. The fucking helicopter is up there. But it can't be seen on video. That's fucking weird. The reason I came out to videotape is because I heard the guy say, whoever's in the helicopter, I heard him say, step out with your hands up and your cock out. You're an asshole, dude. But why can't I see him on, you can hear him, right? Yeah, oh, here he comes again. Oh, wait a minute, let me see. Oh, see? He's not talking now. But it's really freaking weird. See? He just disappeared behind the buildings. But that's the reason I came out. I heard you're an asshole, dude. Step out with your hands up and your cock out. Fucking some weird shit. You know, he was like right above my window at first. He's flying. Oh, where's he coming back? I just thought that was real fucking weird. And it's not... Oh, there he is. He's not speaking no more. And it ain't a fucking cop. That's for damn sure. That's just really weird.